right at home in the dozer. He loves to run dozer. Take this spruce too. Jeez. Looks like some pumpkins got... Oh. Pumpkin seeds everywhere. I thought the deer might eat this last night. It's like opening my wallet. Kind of stuck in place, huh? Probably should go start at Skidder. I would guess that one, that brake's probably stuck. I took the hammer after it. Uh-oh. Do we have one sliding back here? No. My back one's... Well, there we go. Yeah, a lot of frosting on the air cleaner or hood this morning. Well, it's, what was it, 10 above this morning? Well, let's see if she'll start. Let the glow plugs, they must have done their thing already. Oh, it's like summertime. That's pretty good. Yeah, I don't think this is frozen in the ground. Okay. Ah, he broke the lowboy already. Broke it right in half. Haha. Come on, Timbco, we got a lot of hungry equipment. We need to feed it. But you're gonna be a good girl this winter, aren't you? You gonna be a good girl? Time to hook her up, boys. Perfect. Get out of my way, Bill. Here. Tell this guy to get out of here, huh? Does Mike know I YouTube?
Yeah.
You've heard of me.
Garrett's pulled you up on a Very.
Oh, just another Forester. So yeah, we're paying Mike's salary this morning. Look at that. He made $26,000 this morning already. Well, now that he's got all our money, he can leave, huh? It is the local superhero. It says fire on the door. Does that mean they should fire him? No, that can't be it. Oh, that'd make a nice picture. Or a better video. So we're gonna cut basically an aspen stand around this pine, this beautiful pine stand. Dean was kind enough to bring the Timbco out to me. I helped him load it this morning. Well, you saw that probably. But he brought it out here while I was doing the pre-sale meeting with the state DNR forester. I am going to run over here and try to tramp down some snow to freeze in an access to another block. So those are the two blocks there. This block over here, see where it says through the county? That's swamp. I need to smash this snow down so it'll freeze. Uh-oh. Why do I have an alarm? Something about low boost pressure. Probably from just sitting too long now. I'm trying to get out of your way. Oh, I'm far enough out of your way. This thing doesn't move very fast when it's cold. The tracks don't. Alright, go back and get another one. That is a weird birthmark for a tree. So we're dropping out of the aspen type here, and that looks like the swamp's up there. Rotten alarm. So I'm about right there. I got to go down across the county and hit that. So yeah, pack down this snow, take the insulation out of it so it'll freeze the swamp or low ground. I see a trouble spot right there. This could be bad. You see that? That's actually open water. I don't see anything around it that makes me think that it's much more than just a localized spot. So I'm going to drive right out on it. A little soft there. Oh, look at that, a deer track. All right, let's spin around and see what happened. Yeah, not a whole lot. It is wet under there, though. There's water. It's supposed to get some really cold weather next week, so it's a good time to hurry up and get this smashed down. Yeah, just a brushy old road. We logged in here many years ago. So we just went across a little island or a little high ground, and uh-oh, now I see tamarack. You know where there's tamarack, it's wet and ash. So this is going to be probably the wettest stretch. That up there does not look good. And the reason I say that is no brush growing in the middle of it. Usually brush will grow when it's not too wet, but when it's really wet, nothing grows. So that's got me nervous. Feels like I'm pushing a little bit there. Oh boy. Yeah, see, we're all right underneath the saw head there. That's open water. That's open water. Oh, don't go down too much, huh? You know, I should have. Yeah. Yeah, she's a little soft and wet here. I might have to stop. Shoot, it'd be nice to get this smashed down. Uh-oh, now we're running into cedar. This isn't a good sign. The road has almost disappeared. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clear this out. So, I accidentally went down that old road. Well, it looked like the only road to me, but apparently there's a road right there. And now that I have enough phone service, I think I can see something back in there. But yeah, it's all grown up. No wonder I missed it. Thank goodness for Google Earth. Yeah, it's way more obvious that it's a road now. See it? Well, this looks more like an old road. I think I'm getting close. So I see a type change up there. It changes to more aspen. And look at that. I don't know if you can see that. There's red. Red on that tree. Red indicates a property line between the county and the state. Ah, I finally made it. I found it. Well, this is going to look a whole lot different. I'll have to take a little video so I remember what it used to look like. Oh, there's a skidder.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day.
Fire Captain Tom says, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.